Huh? Oh my God!
Chute deployed.
That was perfect.
Time remaining 6 minutes. 0, 25%, 50%.
Uh-oh. The parachute must be stuck in there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Look at that.
That wind has got
See? Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. It didn't even want to go down.
50%.
Yeah, it's
50%.
that wind has picked up.
all of a sudden. Yeah.
50%.
Yeah.
25%.
Not even in bed.
0.
Okay, you going off
25%.
No. I go wherever the wind tells me to go.
Yeah, sure.
Time remains
Yeah.
0, 25%,
Is that
50%.
you powering up and dropping, or is it the wind?
It's the wind.
Oh, God.
50%.
Drop them to you while we're here.
Okay.
That's a threat.
26%.
Oh, that was Jack.
He hit the glue pad.
0. 20, 0.
They parade I watched.
25%, 50%.
I put part of it, a protester
50%.
there too, in New York when it was going
0,
on.
25,
They arrested
0.
He was from Palestine.
25%, 0.
Their security was fine.
Can you tell I wanted to land in the grass, but it wouldn't let me?
25%. 27.
Oh, now you want to go in the grass.
25%. 0.
Whoa!
There you go. Nice and easy.
Ooh.
50%. Battery not charged for flying.
Last night. That is. Wow. Turned it up a little.
G limiting disengaged.
Outside. Something.
Oh, outside loop?
Not a full loop.
But he was doing it outside. Either turn or loop. That's still.
Okay, rolling it upside. Whoa! Whoa! There you go. There you go.
Oh, the nose over?
Yep. My plane's got a weird, getting some weird readings.
0, 25%. 0, 25%. 50%.
We just stay low then.
Uh-oh. Fred? Okay. Ooh. Sorry, Fred. I'm trying to get this plane to cooperate a little bit, and it's not wanting to.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
You don't have flaps down, do you?
Nope. No way.
50%.
That would definitely be a death knell for me today.
Yeah, I didn't know it accidentally bumped it or something.
20, 0. 0.
Wind
25%.
The wind was all.
0.
There you go.
25%.
That was
Huh.
scary.
25%. 0.
Oh, that's why.
Why?
5%. 50%. Gear up.
Oh, I thought it was really water.
Oh, no, 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 no.
50%. G limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes.
About 30%.
Flip it in the air like a potato chip.
Bar. Light bar that says, uh-oh, it's not charging. And then I use another charger and stuff. I couldn't figure it out. And then I just kept on going. When it got down to
50%. 50%. 60%.
Under the sun, dog. Under the sun.
Time remaining 1 minute.
wow.
Nice save.
Good save.
Ooh,
Whoa.
glad you aborted that.
There you go.
50%. Gear up. 50%. 25%. 50%. G limit disengaged. 1 minute.
All right, high roller.
That's 35 of the 22.
22.
I can't tell the difference on the drive. Just can't tell the difference. I'll just have to figure out.
30 seconds.
Whoops.
Leveling.
Shoot.
50%.
F-35 is like a
Gear down.
penguin. It's got a penguin shape.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. 25, 0.
That's all they could do. Got to fly.